Guys, so welcome back to this new video here on the channel, and on today's video I'm real quickly going to give you guys another update here on the market, because right now Bitcoin is breaking down, and on today's video we're going to quickly go over all price targets and over all things we should be paying our attention towards right now. So if this sounds interesting for you, and if you do want to be finding out about where Bitcoin is heading towards only in the short term, don't forget to right away subscribe to the channel, ring the bell notification, and like this video if you do want to be seeing more of this kind of content. And with that being said, guys, let me jump right away in towards the content. So what you can see currently in front of your screen here is that Bitcoin has been seeing a clear break of this upwards going trend, like you can see over here. So we have been forming higher lows along the way up here, but right now, since we have been seeing this breakdown, we have been starting to form a lower low once again on the market. Of course, we are seeing this support line as several things here. First of all, we could have been approaching this as an head and shoulders pattern. So you can see over here, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, breakdown. Of course, if we're going to look for a breakdown target of a head and shoulders pattern, we're going to be looking for a price target for Bitcoin around the 54.8k here. As well, what I will be bringing out to you guys, if you're asking me right now, Rover, what kind of a support range are you looking for? Per se, I am right now looking for a support box here between the 55 towards 54,000 US dollars, because if we're going to look at the Bitcoin order book, we do see that the 54,000 towards the 55,000 is going to be an extreme big level of support where Bitcoin most likely is going to be bouncing from. So since seeing this breakdown of this head and shoulders pattern, we could be for sure well anticipate that. As well, what we can currently see, we were trading in a symmetrical triangle, and this symmetrical triangle also broke down. Of course, if we're going to be aiming for the price target of this symmetrical triangle breakout, it will be opting us to, of course, go even lower towards the 53.5k. But personally, since I do already have seen this big amount of orders getting set up around the 54 towards 55,000 US dollars, it could be so that we're going to get a leverage shakeout towards the downside. We're going to see a leverage flush out towards the lower side, and of course find support around this green box over here. So that is a thing that I'm currently anticipating. And if you do want to be taking trades right now, I personally will be looking for trading and accumulating my trades around this green box of support over here, because personally I do see the market, and I do expect the market bouncing from up this range here. As well, if we're going to look at the in the short term, we do not see the market bounce here from up these ranges. We do still see, of course, the MACD forming in the higher low in the market. So higher lows, high lows, high lows getting formed. Well, the price action right now has been forming, of course, once again, a lower low compared to these other lows. So that's, of course, a respectively still good thing to see so in the market. Of course, this as well a potential scenario that Bitcoin is going to fight its way back up here, and of course show this as a fake out and then see a continuation towards the upside. And if Bitcoin is still going to be able to continue its way towards the upside, so Bitcoin is going to shoot up once again towards higher targets, it's going to be, of course, break up off this green line of previous support. Right now we'll be flipping into resistance, of course, and we're going to be push up towards higher levels and break this red line of resistance. Then we could be still aiming for very significant price surge towards the upside, because if we're going to remove this green line and just purely focus on this downside resistance line, we can clearly see as well left shoulder getting formed, head getting formed, right shoulder getting formed, and that could be, of course, playing out in a very bullish wave here as well. If we're then going to see this breakout towards the upside, we could be aiming for a very significant price surge towards the 60,000 US dollars, but that will be only happening in case Bitcoin is going to be, of course, crushing through, show this as a fake out, continue its way up here, and of course break through this resistance line of this red line, test it as support, and then we could be seeing a further increase. But of course, if you do want to be staying up to date about the update, what is going to be playing out for Bitcoin, don't forget to then subscribe to the channel. This was already it today's very quick update video. Hopefully you're going to enjoy it, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.